have the unknown fear, and I think many people have it, like unknowingly. Have you ever get in the situation where you don't know what is the thing which actually disturbing you, but there is something in your mind constantly whenever something big going to happen for you? So I call it as the unknown fear. Do you have this fear? Wait, let me explain in the more details. Whenever I am going to meet any huge personality or any person whom I believe that he is the master in any particular thing, whenever it's a celebration time for me, people come to wish me for something actually great. Whenever I have to go on the stage to perform something, whenever I have to explain the thing which I actually know very well, but every time I get in any kind of situation, I feel a bit nervous. Every time my hands and legs are trembling, but the reason is unknown still. What to call this situation is also unknown, but I think I know the solution to overcome this unknown fear. The solution is you have to get in this kind of situation again and again. Just face it again and again. Feel this fear again and again until it will vanish automatically. By the way, daily meditation is always there to help you to overcome any fear. That's why I am practicing daily meditation for at least 20 minutes and trying to face such kind of situations again and again. One can do guided meditation too with the Sattva app. It's really helpful for the beginners. Link is given in the description. Tell me in the comments, do you have any kind of fear? And what have you done to overcome such kind of fear? Also tell me what should be the next topic. Thank you so much for listening up to last. Spread love.